Yeah.
But one run is enough. It's got indoors with nice windows.
Yeah.
Well, they should have a good pattern. Oh yeah. Well, down Wisbech. This one is Wisbech actually. Look.
Yeah.
1938. AB Wisbech. Så. Finska hiss- och värmelednings AB som är sin lämpöjohto. Age 224, built in 1938 indeed. Used in 2005. It's still beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, quite rare. It's maybe the only Christian Wisbech in Lauttasaarentie.
Yeah.
And this is also the first Christian Wisbech I've found.
Yeah.
As it gets where it's in Swedish and Finnish, that metal plate.
Yeah.
Using Kallioberghela, for example. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Or say more 1982.
Yeah.
That's the only Finnish.
Yeah. But cap and doors are Suomen Hissi and lämpöjohto, not Wisbech.
Yeah, not only.
Yeah.
It was like installed by this Finska hiss- och värmelednings AB. But manufactured by Christian Wisbech originally.
Only machinery and controller and some other technical stuff, but cap and doors are still Suomen Hissi and lämpöjohto.
Yes, that's true. But the technology is by Christian Wisbech.
Yeah.
Originally.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Riktigt bra kiva, maintained by Kone.